As Russia leaves a lot of tanks in different conditions, everything from heavily damaged or destroyed to just having tanks gotten stuck, it becomes most of the time the Ukrainian drone army's mission to take out the tank, sometimes only armed with an anti-personnel hand grenade, which should make it an almost impossible task. But as Russian tank crew leaves the hatches open most of the time, the job goes from almost impossible to hard, as the small hatch needs to be hit. But as Ukraine's drone army has shown time over time that their skills isn't something to underestimate, they destroy tank after tank this way. But sometimes the window for success is so narrow it almost seems impossible. But as seen here, as a drone operator managed to bounce the grenade on the hatch to the edge and into the tank, while not starting a chain reaction with the ammunition inside. The blast fragmentation of the grenade makes sure to destroy everything inside, making sure the tank is destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.